What if you could double your account in days? Starting with just $1,000 and putting every move under the spotlight. Live, no edits, no excuses. Hey, welcome to the stream, or if you're watching replay later, glad you're here. This is the day one of my $1,000 to $2,000 lifetime challenge. I'm recording every trade, every decision, so you can follow along from start to finish. Right, so here's how it works. I'm starting this account with $1,000, and my goal is to double it to 2,000. No shortcuts, no edits, no edited, no highlighted reels, just live market action and a transparent look at how I trade. And each day I go live, take trades based on my plan, and we track the process together. And one more thing, if you're watching this later, I'd still love to hear from you. Drop a comment with where you're from and what markets you trade. I go through the charts step by step so that even if you couldn't watch live, you can still learn from the steps and the process. So if you want to follow along with the challenge from day one all the way to the finish line, make sure you subscribe and check out the playlist. I've put together playlist which I'll be using to post all the videos that we do on live stream. Alright, so this is our first trade. I see that first trade is running good. So my target is initially I took in this is trading view, and I'm paper trading in this trading view. So I initially took 10 lots, but due to spreads, it started directly from -20. So, and the level was a bit low. So as the price traced towards the upside, I entered with another 10 lots. So I'm trading with 20 lots currently. Yeah, so this price might this is a solid breakdown towards the target. I'm expecting the price to again go towards the break even and then fall sharply. So let's wait. Let's wait and see. So we've achieved 30% of our target. We can try to partially book if you want. I generally like to let the winners run. So I most of the times I don't partially book. So if there is someone who is good with booking partially, they can book partially, because $70 or at least 30% of our target is a good target, a good thing to start with. Or once we hit the 50%, I generally trail the stop loss to break even, so that at least I don't face any losses. Let's see. Or once we hit the 50%, I generally trail the stop loss to break even, so that at least I don't face any losses. And one more thing, guys, I forgot to show you my account here. This is a fresh account, and look at this. There are no other trades. This is the first one which I booked just now, which I partially booked. So the account was $1,000. After I booked $50.8, it is $50.80, and we have another $42 running. So which is showing here. Total equity is $1,092. Alright, so I've taken another partial amount. So this is just one trade, but I partially closed twice. So initially I booked $50 in this trade, and then I booked another $30. So from 20 lots, I booked 10 lots. So basically 15 lots I've already booked, and now I just have 5 lots remaining, which I'll let it run, or let the stop loss run. So we are at least $80 in profit, and like we found our stop loss this side, so it shouldn't be a problem. Even if I trail the stop loss somewhere this after this, we are $100 in profit, which is good for the first time. So this is generally what a sniper trade looks like. Not exactly a sniper trade, but close to a sniper trade. So without this consolidation, if you could have gone, wouldn't have the target hit, but target hit on this in the chat. We've made $100, $101.95 in the first trade. So I'll keep you updated. If possible, we'll also join the learning session or the new session. Stay connected for more trades like this in the okay? Alright, then I'm closing the screen.